In the year 1901, deep beneath the blue waters of the Aegean Sea, a group of sponge divers stumbled upon something extraordinary. Not gold, not jewels, but a mysterious lump of bronze covered in rust and coral. They didn't know it then, but they had just found the world's first computer. A device so complex it would change our understanding of ancient history forever. The discovery took place near the small Greek island of Antikythera, the remains of a shipwreck from around 2,000 years ago. Among statues, coins, and pottery, they found a small corroded box with intricate gears inside. For years, no one understood what it was. Some thought it was a clock. Others said it was part of an astrolabe. It wasn't until decades later, when scientists finally looked closer, that the truth began to emerge. In the 1950s, British scientist Derek J. de Sola Price took detailed X-rays of the fragments, and what he saw shocked him. Inside were more than 30 perfectly crafted bronze gears, each with teeth so precise they rivaled clockwork made 1,000 years later. He called it the Antikythera Mechanism and described it as an ancient Greek computer designed to predict the motions of the sun, moon, and planets. The mechanism could calculate solar and lunar eclipses, planetary positions, phases of the moon, and even ancient Olympic games. By turning a small hand crank, it could simulate the sky, showing where the planets would be months or even years into the future. Think about that. Over 2,000 years ago, someone built a machine capable of tracking the heavens with stunning precision, using nothing but hand tools and pure genius.
In the 21st century, researchers used advanced CT scanning to see every detail inside the corroded fragments. They discovered tiny inscriptions, instructions in ancient Greek explaining how to use the device. These clues revealed that the mechanism wasn't just scientific, it was also philosophical. It represented the ancient Greek belief in cosmic harmony, where math, astronomy, and divinity were all connected. So who created this incredible machine? Some scientists believe it was designed in Rhodes, the home of brilliant astronomers like Hipparchus, or perhaps influenced by Archimedes himself. The technology was so advanced that nothing close to it appeared again for more than 1,000 years. It's as if an entire chapter of human innovation was lost beneath the waves.
Even today, scientists haven't fully unlocked all of its secrets. Some believe it may have tracked planetary alignments for astrological purposes. Others think it could have predicted solar cycles that influenced agriculture and navigation. But one thing is certain: the Antikythera Mechanism proves that ancient civilizations were far more advanced than we ever imagined. From the depths of the sea came a reminder that human curiosity and creativity are timeless. The Antikythera Mechanism, an ancient computer from a forgotten world. Follow High Info for more mysteries hidden in our past.